A heavy windstorm from overnight knocked down trees, damaged buildings, and at one point left as many as 60,000 people without power, and some of them won't be able to turn things on until later tonight or tomorrow. Good afternoon on this Monday, and thank you so much for being with us. First at 4, I'm Darlene Hill. Those sustained high winds yesterday causing a lot of damage across our area. Jason Aubrey shows us some of it and what people are now doing to clean it all up.
Students are picking up the pieces and looking for a place to stay after this massive tree fell on this structure during yesterday's high winds here and around Columbus.
Those high winds ripped through central Ohio for hours on Sunday, tearing signs from concrete and pulling down trees all over the place. This tree barely missed this home. The owners were lucky. The students living here were not. Tia Lenhoff lives on the lower floor near the middle of the building and was in the shower when the tree fell.
I heard a loud bang, and all I thought was, wow, that sounds like some really strong wind.
It wasn't long before firefighters were at her door.
I wasn't sure exactly what was going on. I heard walkie-talkies and then people saying that, everybody needs to come out, and they told us basically we had to leave.
A crew was brought in Monday to get the tree out of the building. Initially, it was quick work, but now they need a crane to finish the job. In the meantime, students living next door are without water, heat, or electricity. They claim they'll be fine, but one student says a single word sums up how she felt when she saw the damage this morning.
Scared. I'm more worried for the people that live in this house. And grateful that no one was seriously injured.
In an amazing stroke of luck, a student was sitting at his desk when the tree crashed through the roof. He was nearly crushed, the tree trunk missing him by inches. He walked away unscathed.
I talked to the landlord here, and he tells me that his plans are to rebuild once the tree is out of the structure. Local for you in Columbus, Jason Aubrey, NBC4.
Talk about some of the powder